Winged eyeliner is the little black dress for your eyes, timeless, bold, and always in style. Inspired by ancient Egyptian queens, this look has been loved for centuries. It instantly lifts and defines your eyes, adding elegance and drama. Whether you want a subtle flick for day or a dramatic wing for night, it's endlessly versatile. You'll see it everywhere, from red carpets to coffee shops, because it flatters almost everyone. The winged liner is a small detail that makes a big impact. It's a way to express confidence and creativity, no words needed. Drawing the perfect wing can seem intimidating, but everyone starts as a beginner. Like learning to ride a bike, it takes practice, but you'll get there. This guide will break it down into easy, step-by-step instructions. Soon, you'll be creating sharp, beautiful wings with ease. Let's get started and unlock the secret to this classic look. Before you start, gather your tools. Just like a chef preps ingredients, you'll need a felt tip pen eyeliner for control, a good mirror, magnifying if possible, and pointed cotton swabs for cleanup. Have gentle, oil-free makeup remover on hand for easy fixes. A small flat brush and concealer, matching your skin tone, will help sharpen your wing. Good lighting is crucial. Natural daylight is best, but a bright lamp works too. Sit at a table or desk and rest your elbow to steady your hand. These simple tools make the process smoother and your results more polished. With everything ready, you're set for success. Remember, preparation is half the battle. The right setup makes learning much easier. Now, let's move on to creating your first wing. You're ready to begin your winged eyeliner journey. Let's draw your winged eyeliner in 3 simple steps. First, rest your elbow and look straight into the mirror. Draw a thin line along your upper lash line, from inner to outer corner, as close to your lashes as possible. Next, create the wing. Imagine a line from your lower lash line angling up toward your eyebrow. Draw a short diagonal line at the outer corner, short for subtle, longer for drama. Now, connect the tip of your wing back to your lash line, forming a small triangle. Fill in the triangle for a solid, sharp wing. Step back and check your work. Thicken the line if you want more impact. Take your time. Slow and steady wins the race. It's easier to add than to remove, so build up gradually. Don't worry about perfection, practice makes progress. You've just created your first winged eyeliner. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Ready for the next step? Let's make those wings match. Matching both wings is the ultimate challenge, but there are tricks to help. Alternate steps between eyes. Draw the lash line on one eye, then the other, and repeat for each step. This keeps both eyes in sync and makes adjustments easier. Use tiny dots as guides for wing placement. Check their height and angle before connecting the lines. Adjust the dots until they're even, then draw your wings. Remember, your eyes aren't perfectly symmetrical. Aim for sisters, not twins. Don't obsess over tiny differences. Balance is what matters. With practice, matching wings becomes second nature. Be patient and celebrate small improvements. Symmetry is a skill you'll master with time. Mistakes happen. Here's how to fix them like a pro. If your wing is too thick or long, let it dry, then use a pointed cotton swab with remover to reshape it. For shaky lines, go over them slowly, or use a dark eyeshadow to smudge and soften the edges. If the wingtip isn't sharp, clean it up with a flat brush and concealer for a crisp finish. Got a gap between liner and lashes? Try tight lining. Gently fill in the upper waterline for a seamless look. Every mistake is a chance to learn a new trick. Don't panic. Most errors are easy to fix. Practice these quick fixes and you'll gain confidence. Even pros make mistakes. It's all part of the process. Keep experimenting and refining your technique. Soon, you'll handle any eyeliner mishap with ease. And choosing the right eyeliner makes all the difference. Felt tip pen liners are best for beginners, easy to hold, precise, and mess-free. Gel liners, applied with a brush, offer control and smooth application, great for sharp wings. Pencil liners are better for soft, smudgy looks, not ideal for crisp wings. Stick to liquid or gel formulas for your winged liner journey. Black is classic, but brown offers a softer, natural look. Look for long-lasting, smudge-proof formulas to keep your wings flawless all day. The right product makes learning easier and results better. Experiment to find what feels best in your hand. With the right liner, you're set for success. Final touches make your winged eyeliner look polished and professional. Use a cotton swab with remover or a flat brush with concealer to sharpen edges and perfect your wings. Finish with mascara to blend your lashes and liner, making your eyes pop. Add a touch of shimmery eyeshadow to the inner corners for extra brightness. Remember, practice is key. Set aside time to experiment and improve. Don't be discouraged by imperfect wings. Every attempt builds skill. Makeup is about creativity and self-expression. Have fun with it. Wear your winged eyeliner with confidence, no matter the outcome. Each try is progress. Be proud of your effort. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Confidence is your best accessory. Now go out and show off your amazing wings.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.